Designing emails in Figma for Klaviyo involves creating visually appealing and responsive email templates that can be exported and integrated seamlessly. Here's a step-by-step guide. Set up the canvas. Open Figma and create a new frame. Set the frame size to standard email dimensions, typically 600 pixels wide. Height can vary depending on the email content. Define the layout. Use Figma's grid system to define the structure for your email. Create rows and columns to align text, images, and buttons. Include placeholders for the logo, headings, text blocks, call to action buttons, and images. Add design elements. Insert text layers for headings and body text. Use fonts and colors that match your brand style. Add images or illustrations relevant to the email content. Design buttons with clear call to action and ensure they are visually distinct. Optimize for responsiveness. Use scalable elements like vector graphics and ensure proper spacing. Avoid overly large images to keep the email lightweight. Export the design. Slice and export the individual assets as PNGs or JPGs. Export the full email as an HTML-ready design if using plugins like Figma to HTML. Integrate into Klaviyo. Import the assets into Klaviyo and use its editor to replicate the design by adding images, text, and links.